Hi everyone. Today we'll learn how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. Open up your web browser and search for Google Sheets. Then you click on the first one. Now, in the blank sheet that is open up, to upload or to convert your Excel files into the Google Sheet, you select File. You click on File at the top of the screen. Now, click on Open. Then you select upload and you click on browse and it will open up everything on your PC. So you scroll through and select the Excel file you want to upload. Let's look for a file here. Once you've seen or gotten your file, you click on open. Now your file has been uploaded to Google Sheets. You can customize these documents as you wish. You can choose to change the font size, bolding it, and all that. So that's how you convert your Excel worksheets to Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more video content like this. Bye guys and stay tuned.